Need a deep-level look at your system to fix the Mscorie.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. This DLL file is the Microsoft.NET Runtime Resources Library. It contains localized text strings and error messages used by the .NET framework to display diagnostic information in various languages to the user or developer. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. The mscorie.dll belongs to the Windows system core, running sfc scan now from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the mscorie component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for the mscorie.dll that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for the mscorie. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Microsoft.NET Framework today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.